iOS 27 framework will fight back against scams done via voice calls, text messages, and emails. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. With iOS 27, Apple is introducing a framework called Trust Insights that can alert apps when a user may be falling victim to a scam. Apple says social engineering scams are harder to detect automatically because the user is often the one carrying out the actions. In recent years, tech support scams, authority impersonation, and family emergency fraud have become increasingly common thanks to AI. Now, Apple's framework runs mostly on-device and analyzes interaction patterns, timing, context, and basic sensor data. If it detects anything fishy, Trust Insights can assign a medium or high-risk level, allowing the app to add warnings, delays, or additional verification steps. Trust Insights doesn't see the contents of photos, messages, or mail, but analyzes behavioral signals on device, immediately discards the underlying data, and sends only a single output value to Apple's servers instead. That value may then be combined with information from the user's Apple account and checked for unusual activity before Trust Insights returns its final assessment of the suspected scam. Apple says that although users can disable Trust Insights in settings, there may be a cooldown period meant to protect users who may have themselves been coached into turning it off. Initially, Trust Insights will cover 5 main operation categories like payment, account details, resource use, communication, and others if the fallback for operations doesn't fit anywhere else. Apple told developers to submit feedback through Feedback Assistant if their use case falls under other. The company also asks developers to report how Trust Insights affected each transaction and flag cases that were later confirmed as fraud to help improve the system. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.